Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to move a video to overlay in CapCut. So to do that, it's quite simple. Just open up your CapCut project and let's say I want to move this video onto the overlay timeline, and I just have to tap on the video and swipe to the right side until you find the overlay option. And if you tap on it, it is going to automatically put it into the overlay section where you can just move it around, and as you can see, it's going to be overlaid to our main track. And if you want to go back, you just have to tap on the video again, swipe again to the right side, and as you can see now it doesn't say overlay, it says main track, and by tapping on it you can put it back onto the main track. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please go to the information and see you in the next.